welcome to the Golden Lamb. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make sunshine tea. And sunshine tea is basically sun tea but with added citrus. For the moment, just enjoy this ASMR. So we've zested half a lemon, and now we're going to zest a whole mandarin orange. Alright, now that you've zested both of those, you're going to cut the lemon and the mandarin orange in half, and then just go ahead and drop the zest into a pitcher, and then juice half of the lemon and juice half of the orange. And if you don't have mandarin oranges, you can use a large orange like a regular one. I would just zest half of it in that circumstance. And now that you've added the juice, you're going to add some mint. If you don't have fresh mint, you can get some from the store. And now boil about 2 cups of water, and you're going to pour this over the zest and the juice and the mint. And what this is going to do is it's going to extract all the oils and essences from the citrus. So grab a 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar and add that to it. Such a dramatic shot. And then you're just going to stir this for about 30 seconds and then let this sit for 5 to 6 minutes to steep. Once that's done, fill up the pitcher the rest of the way with cold water. I'm trying not to have my arm shake here because I want to come across as really cool and strong, but it was getting really heavy. Alright, next, put it in the sun and add 4 black tea bags. I use Lipton black tea. And then I just give it a nice little stir. And now, here comes the time lapse. So this is over a 2-hour period, and if you look, you can see that it's going from a light yellow to a dark golden brown. And that is just the tea bag steeping in the sun. Coming up as a side-by-side. I'm just going to give it another stir. My baby daughter is right here, and it just cracks me up. And she really wants to play, and so she grabs a lemon and walks off frame. So you can see in that last shot that there were floaties in there, and the floaties are the zest. And don't be scared of the floaties. Actually, they taste really nice. You don't even notice them when you're drinking this, and after a couple days of sitting in the fridge, they actually add some more flavor. And I was going to grab that mint, but I thought it would ruin the shot, so I actually go to my mint plant and I just clip off a piece and add it as a garnish. If this isn't the greatest sun tea you've ever had in your life, you have complete permission to murder me. This is the greatest thing that's ever passed my lips.